One of the main therapies, of course, with chiropractic is the adjustment itself. Although not all chiropractors do both spinal and extremity adjustments, we here at Physical Evidence utilize both because the body really is one interactive mechanism. Through the adjustment, we're able to remove joint dysfunction, which changes the mechanics of weight bearing and movement, combined with muscular tension, and that's really what causes pain syndromes for people. Whether it's from a single incident or just the wear and tear of daily life, reestablishing that joint function is essential to getting people back to pain-free and functional living.